Unboxing and setting up the HP OfficeJet Pro 7730 and 7740 wide format all-in-one printer series. Open the box and then remove the power and telephone cables. Inside the box are reference guides for your printer. Next is a set of setup cartridges that are required to set up your printer. Replacement cartridges bought from a store cannot be used to set up the printer. With the assistance of a second person, remove the styrofoam end caps. All packing materials are recyclable. For more information, go to hp.com/recycle. Using the handles, lift the printer out of the box. Remove the printer from the bag. Next, remove all the blue tape and the clear plastic from around the printer. Go to the back of the printer and then remove the blue tape. Check that there are no packing materials inside the rear of the printer. If there are any, remove them. Return to the front of the printer and open the scanner lid. Remove any tape and packing materials in the scanner area. Close the scanner lid. Slide out input tray 1 and then remove the tape and the cardboard support. Close the tray. Slide out input tray 2 and then remove the tape and cardboard support. Close input tray 2. Now go to the back of the printer. Remove the twist tie from the power cord and plug it into the rear of the printer. Plug the other end of the power cord into a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn on the printer. The printer will make some noise as it starts to initialize. On the printer control panel, you can choose the language the printer will use. Touch the language you want and then touch Confirm. Then select your country or region and touch Confirm. Set the date and touch Continue. Then set the time and touch Continue. Touch Continue Setup. Next, install the cartridges that came with the printer. Open the ink cartridge access door. Pick up the bundle of ink cartridges. The order of the cartridges in the bundle might not match the order in which they need to be installed in the printer. Match the letter on each cartridge to the color and letter on the carriage. Starting with the black cartridge, insert it into the corresponding slot in the printer. Push it until you feel it snap into place. Next, install the yellow ink cartridge. Then the magenta. And lastly, the cyan ink cartridge. Close the ink cartridge access door. The printer will check the ink cartridges and then prompt you to load some paper. Slide out input tray 1. Span a stack of paper. Load the paper in the tray with the short side first. Adjust the paper length guide until it touches the edge of the paper. Adjust the paper width guides. Make sure the paper guides do not bend the paper. Slide in tray 1. Pull out the output tray extension. The printer will align the print head and print a page. Once the alignment page is printed, remove it and recycle the page. An alignment successful message will display on the control panel. Touch OK. Select how the printer will connect to the Internet or touch Connect Later. Touch Install Automatically to receive printer updates as they are released. Touch Continue. Select where the printer will be used and for what purpose. Touch Confirm to verify your selection. On a computer or mobile device, visit 123.hp.com to download the printer software. Open the software and follow step-by-step instructions to connect the printer to a network and complete the registration. To load oversized or A3 paper, slide out Tray 2. Squeeze the blue tray extender release and extend the tray. Span a stack of A3 paper and load the paper, short side first, into the tray. Adjust the paper length guide until it touches the end of the paper. Do not push the guide in so tightly that it bends the paper. Adjust the paper width guides. Slide Tray 2 into the printer. When the tray is extended, it will not slide all the way into the printer.